Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account, right? So it's very easy guys. Just go to your Facebook mobile application here, right? Once you are in the Facebook, you will find the three lines which is on the top right side corner. Just go over there, then you can go to the settings. You can go to the settings from here and from the down too, right? So if I just click here, then I will click on the settings, right? So right now I am in the settings. Now in the last version of Facebook, you have to just get to the access and control. After that you will able to delete it, right? But in the new update, everything has been changed. So let me show you how to do it. Just click on see more in the account center, right? And just go to here. If you will find that it's your profile, right? Just scroll a little bit down, go to the personal details. Once you are in the personal details, click on the account ownership and control. Once you are here, you will find these two options, deactivation or deletion, right? So just click on this, and after that you have to select your whichever account you want to delete it, right? And once I'm here, it will says that deactivating your account is temporary, but right now I'm just showing you how to delete your account permanently, right? So you have to click on this, click on the continue, and after that again you have to just click on continue, right? And you have to just select your whatever the reason why you're deleting, right? And once you click on the continue, then you have to enter the password, and after that you will able to delete your Facebook account, right? So this is pretty easy guys, and I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, make sure to like this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.